Now, dancehall artist Bugle has released his highly anticipated album Toxicity. The album was released today and features a total 15 songs. Bugle spoke with Ephraim about the project.
You see, the album you know is a variety of music with a lot of good collaborations. Of course, I have Beanie Man on it, I have Bounty Killer on it. You know how good it feels for a Beanie and Bounty on the same album. I have the two of them on it. I have Julian Marley on it. I have Tony Gold and Adina Miley on it. I have Spanish artists on it, Darius, Kareem. I have Jamil on it. I have Nation Boss on it. The album is just one of them albums where you really have to listen. You really have them say self-praise and a recommendation, but that's a lie. My album bad.
The lead track from the album Toxicity hit the airwaves back in September with an accompanying music video. The track tackles issues of corruption, politics, and the general negative mindset of the population. The album is the follow-up to his 2019 project, Picture Perfect. Country reggae singer West Rock has joined forces with hardcore dancehall artist Massacre on a track dubbed Try to Hold Me. The song was co-produced by Grammy-nominated producer Triton and was released on Friday. Try to Hold Me fuses dancehall and country reggae and focuses on societal issues. West Rock spoke to Ephraim about the inspiration behind the track.
Well, you know, Try to Hold Me is a deep song. You know, it speaks to what's going on in society, how people exploit others, you know, and the message in the song itself speaks volume in terms of the inspiration.
The Born as a Winner singer also shared how he felt teaming up with the versatile dancehall artist Massacre.
Yes, this is the first time I'm teaming up with a dancehall artist. And one of the reasons behind that is the fact that the landscape of music has become very dynamic these days. I have a project that I'm working on with Sean Paul, a project working with Larry. You know, all these are work in progress, and I'm looking forward to complete these projects.
In May, West Rock dropped his 7-track EP titled Look at Me Now. The EP features tracks like Cover Me Jah, Jamaica Land, Poor Country Boy, among others. Now this weekend, Fame Frequency presents Dancehall Me Everything with an authentic dancehall event. See you in the VIP Zoom area with your Pasa Pasa outfit. I'm Deidre, reporting for your weekend edition of E-Prime. Be safe.